This is Dr. Killigan's 6 Feet Under Non-Toxic Insect Spray. So we have kids, we have pets, you know, we have lungs. We don't want toxic chemicals sprayed around places. So I really like this. You don't have to mix or anything. It is just ready to go right out of the box. The packaging is very cute. So kills 6-legged scoundrels by contact and keeps on killing for up to 30 days. It's a mix of essential oils. I am not an expert by any means, but this has worked for us, so take that with a grain of salt. Shake the bottle, spray the bug, end the bug. The smell is, it does come with it sealed. I opened it. It smells like cloves a little bit because one of the main ingredients is clove oil, cinnamon oil. So yeah, definitely recommend. I would much prefer this to, you know, some strong, harsh chemicals that can be used. So Dr. Killigan's 6 Feet Under Non-Toxic Insect Spray.